Good morning, viewer. Welcome to our Glory Globe TV. Here's a breaking news. Yes, paleoanthropologists have uncovered evidence that suggests that Homo naledi, an extinct human species that lived hundreds of thousands of years ago, many have buried their dead and carved meaningful symbols in the cave. These behaviors were thought to be unique to our own species, Homo sapiens, and the Neanderthals. These claims were revealed in two research papers uploaded to the preprint server BioRxiv and were also announced by researchers Lee Berger at a conference at Stony Brook University in Newark, according to National Geographic. While we already know a lot about the Neanderthals, Homo naledi, or a recent discovery, Lee Berger, who is a paleoanthropologist at the University of Witwatersrand in South Africa, recovered more than 1,500 fossil specimens belonging to 15 individual species in the Rising Star cave system in South Africa in 2014. According to Scientific American, they were believed to have existed between 3 lakh to 2 lakh years ago. The fossils showed a human species that comes with a confusing mix of old and new traits. They walked fully upright just like we do and had hands that were similar to ours, but their shoulders were built for climbing and their teeth were shaped like that of older primates. One of the most interesting things was that their brain size was between 450 to 600 cubic centimeters, just one third of that of modern humans. Humans are really peculiar as a primate because we bury our dead. No other primate seems to do it. Andre Goncalves, who studies how animals interact with the dead, told National Geographic. According to Goncalves, the debate around burying the dead is based on differences between what scientists call mortuary behavior and funerary behavior. Mortuary behavior is evident among chimps and elephants, for example, when they keep watch over a dead body or physically interact with it, expecting it to come back to life. Funerary behaviors, on the other hand, are social acts by creatures that are capable of complex thought and understand them to be separate from the rest of the natural world. They understand the significance of what death is. Until now, the earliest recorded evidence for funerary behavior was among both Neanderthals and modern humans more than 1 lakh years after Homo naledi. But Berger and his research team reported evidence of burials in two locations in the Rising Star system. Homo naledi corpses seems to have been placed in pits that have been dug into the ground. According to Scientific American, the dead bodies were placed in pits that had been dug in the ground and the bodies were then covered with dirt. In one case, the body was arranged in the pit in a fetal position, a common feature of early human burials. The researchers also described a rock that was almost like a stone tool found next to the hand of the dead body. If it is actually a stone tool or something that was manufactured, it would be the only one associated with Homo naledi discovered so far. Experts who reviewed the papers for National Geographic have made the reports with skepticism. Some believe the water could have washed the bone fragments into natural depressions in the cave floor, which could have been then filed the sediment over the years. Beyond the report, Glory Globe TV.